In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that your funnel is being hosted by the right domain and not by the improvised domain that Systeme gives you. Now, when you create an account with Systeme, it will always give you a hosting domain. That's what I call it. This is where, your content and everything is hosted on Systeme. It doesn't count as a domain for you. So when you get your domain, you have to add your domain here. Okay, and then when it's ready to use, it will say ready to use here. You want to choose one that is your main domain. So for me, I've chosen my 6-figure mentor as my main domain. I have other domains I use for other things, but I want the 6-figure mentor to be the domain that carries my funnel for the legacy program and for the 6-figure blueprints that we're offering. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make sure that your funnel is always at this. Even though you've chosen this, you still have to make sure. Okay, so let's assume that you've added your domain to Systeme. It's going to turn up like this. First of all, this is the domain that Systeme creates for you, but you have one that you want to use. Okay, you have to go to funnel settings. You go to funnel settings and you see this thing that looks like a V. It's a drop down, and then you choose the domain that you want your funnel to be hosted. Okay, so mine is 6figurementor.com. I choose it and I save. Oh, I need to change that part because it already exists. So let me see if I can find another one. Bum, 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 bum. You know what I'm going to do? To make it different, I'm going to create a subdomain. I'm going to put something here. I'll put passive income 23. Okay, this is how you create your subdomain. So let's try that again. And I'm going to choose 6-figure mentor and save. And it works now. You know why it works? Because I've created a subdomain like a page. And then that is now hosting my funnel. So I'm going to click here to check my funnel now. You can see my funnel is there. Okay, my funnel is there. So that's how you make sure you ensure that your funnel is being hosted by the domain that you want to use. And you can only use your domain when it says ready to use. You always need to check and make sure that your domain is ready to use. And if you have multiple domains, like you see what happened to me, you have to add something to differentiate one funnel from the other. Okay, so I hope this has helped, and I will see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please do ask below the video and I will create a video reply for it.